So this is just about a few other things that you can add in to your sheets. So you can see on my organizer sheet here, I've got some linked sheets, which means when I click on this shape or something else, I can just say go to sheet and it will automatically take me to the correct sheet. And these are really easy to do. So I've removed the links for now, and to add them back on, what I'm going to do is just click onto either the shape or the little symbol there that I've put in. You get the options, and then you're going to click the arrow to the right and click link. You can link in lots of different things, and I'll show you those in a second, but we're going to link in sheet. So you click in link to sheet and then choose the sheet you want, as simple as that, and then go back. And as soon as you click on that little arrow, it's going to link you. So I'm doing the same with the shape behind it as well, so it doesn't matter where you click, you can link it. So you can do email, you can do phone numbers, but we're going to link to the sheet within this. And again, we're going to go to the to-do entry because that's where I want to go. So I click on the little green arrow, go to sheet. It just really easily gets me there. Simple.
Thanks for taking the time to listen all about how to make our to-do list. Please do keep following for more information on how to use numbers.